2022 Ford F-150 Raptor 37 performance package. Front and rear tire remove, 3 pieces of skid plate underneath removed, so we can have a better look at the front suspension. 3.1 inch diameter fork racing shock, live valve, electronic rack and pinion, aluminum oil pan, 10-speed automatic transmission, plastic oil pan, exhaust, trombone, 2 inlet, 3 outlet, and active 4 exhaust mode. That's active valve on top. 5-link rear suspension, 3.1 fork racing shock in the back also, and pan hat rod right here for the suspension. 24-inch long coil spring.